up, guys? If you got this situation, you got a screw or anything in your tire right here, you see it? This is how you're gonna do it and fix it yourself. This is the kit that you're gonna have to get. Get these strips in here. Okay. Then you need this. And this. There. That's what you're gonna need. These are the tools. Screwdriver and let's see, some. And you're gonna need some pliers. Either those two. So this is the stuff that you're gonna need. First thing you're gonna do is take one of these and slide it right here. Now you have to push in the plug.